Hello students, in pure substances, we study this definition. Pure substances are those which are made up of single type of particles. Here it is important, single type and particles. Means same type of particles combine and form pure substances. Based upon chemical composition of pure substances, means chemically they are made up of which thing? It is of two types, elements and compounds. First we will study element in detail and after that compounds. So element, what are elements? For this just see this. If I have taken this iron piece, it is iron. Formula of iron is Fe due to its name ferrum. Okay, this is iron. If I will break it into pieces, then each piece will be of iron. After that, if I break again these pieces are again of iron. Now, after that, I can't break this piece. If I break this, then it is not iron. For example, I have broken it into pieces. Now it is not iron. It will become ions and electrons, etc., and it will not remain iron. So, the smallest piece of anything, here anything we are taking a single type element. So, smallest piece of an element is atom. When same type of atoms or single type of atoms combine, then they form element of that thing. Here iron element we have taken in example. So it is composed of single type of atoms. Now see, there is difference here, particles and atoms. That means these particles can be atoms or something else, may be molecules. So in elements, same type of atoms. These atoms cannot further broken down into particles. If we break them, then it will not of that element. These elements are building blocks of universe. Means our universe contains too much things, millions of particles. It can be wood, tree, human beings, clothes, cement, stone, water, air, much more things. These all things are made of something, and that something is element. Means all things are made of elements. If elements are not there, then they not combine, they not form anything. So these are building blocks of a universe. In bio studies, cell is the basic unit of life and it is a building block of a living bird. Same here, elements are building blocks of universe. There are total about 118 elements that are properly studied. In periodic table, you can see many elements are there. But 118 elements are properly studied by the scientists. And out of these 118 elements, 94 are natural and 24 are man-made. How these are made? You will study it in senior classes. These elements occur in three states: solid, liquid and gas. 118 elements exist in only these three states. We have two elements in a liquid state. These are, one is mercury and second one is bromine. This Hg is for mercury. This is a metal. Br for bromine, this is non-metal. Only these two elements exist in liquid state at room temperature. Only two elements. We have about 11 gases, means 11 elements which exist in gaseous state at room temperature. Here we are taking these states at room temperature, and these are hydrogen, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and chlorine. So these are 11 gases which exist, or 11 elements which exist in gaseous state in room temperature. These gases are noble gases. We will study it in chapter 4 in detail. So 2 are liquid and 11 are gases. Except these, all other elements are solids. All other elements except these 13 elements exist in solid state. So these were few points for elements, and tomorrow we will discuss on basis of properties of these elements. We will classify them in metals, non-metals and metallites. That we will do tomorrow in detail. Thank you.